So let's continue in this section, 5.6. So we want to look at how to do this integral with one integral. And instead of breaking it up into two separate regions, region 1 and region 2, we want to talk about going across instead. And so the height will be the difference of these functions on the outside, right minus left. But you got to solve for these in terms of y. So this is integration with respect to y. Okay. So if you have the same picture here, and so here's your integral. You want to go from left to right. So this direction is your height. And so instead of saying dx, we're going to say dy or delta y. So that's your thickness is your y. And your height is the function value in terms of y. So you solve this y equals x squared for x, and it's the positive side. So x is root y, is this one. And this one's linear, so it's easy. So x is just 2 minus y. So it's going to be this function right minus left. And all the little details you can check out in the book. They go over it again, but I just wanted to show you this example so we can just kind of do it. So now we have our area is equal to the integral, one integral, excuse me, so now you're saying, you're going to say dy. So what does your y go from? So your y is your thickness. Those are added up from, you got to picture this as a sum. The sum is added up from 0 all the way to 1. So it's 0 to 1. And then you have the difference as, let me move this over, as the right side, 2 minus y minus your root y. So that's now just one integral, and then you evaluate that. So that's going to be 2y minus 1/2 y squared minus 2/3 y to the 3/2. And then we evaluate that from 0 to 1. So that's just going to be 2 minus 1/2 minus 2/3. Excuse me. Which should be exactly 5/6. Should be exactly the same as that, of course. And then it's a polynomial, so when you put in 0, of course, you get just 0, 0, 0, 0. So that's what you end up doing. If you're going left to right, with respect to y, we solve in terms of y. Here's your y, and here's your y. And then you add up from bottom to top. Okay, there's a few more examples you can take a look at in the notes from the book, if you'd like, or not from the book, from my that are posted. So a few more examples in there. But that pretty much covers what we need to do. But keep this in mind of how to write something in terms of one integral instead of breaking up into two. I think that's part of one of your exams. Okay, thank you.